everyone, hello, namaste, welcome and welcome back to Get Peppy with me. तो कैसे हो आप सब? Ella Narminandaru. I hope everyone is doing extremely well, and in today's video I am at Vajra Jewels located in Jubilee Hills Road number 45. Store address vachesi Jubilee Hills Road number 45 in Hyderabad. And in this store you will be seeing all the luxury collection, पूरे luxury jewelry आपको दिखेंगे for every collection, be it a small occasion like a baby shower or haldi, sangeet or wedding also. You will find all sort of jewelry here. And talking about the highlights about this store is in Hyderabad. There is another store like this in Vizag. Other one is in Tirupati. So similar kind of jewelry you'll find over there. One good thing about this store is they are accepting the customers visit to their stores through appointment only. तो अगर आपको कोई भी pieces पसंद आए हैं, मान लो, can actually take the screenshot. You can give us a video call. We are available on WhatsApp. We are available on Instagram too. पर अगर आपको shopping करनी है यहाँ से, you can book your appointment and you can come down. You do not need to come to the jewelry. The jewelry will come to you walking here, and you will be surprised with the hospitality and the way the staff will take care of you with this gorgeous jewelry which you have not seen before. So अगर इस jewelry की आप तलाश में थे from a very long time, जो कि बहुत unique लगे, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ट्रेंड सेटिंग लगे एंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्वर्की लगे, तो दिस प्लेस इज़ जस्ट फॉर यू गाइज. एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दिस करेंटली मैं आपको बता रही हूँ प्राइजेस जो है बिल्कुल भी ज़्यादा दे आर वेरी वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव इफ़ वी कंपेयर दिस विद द आउटसाइड ज्वेलर्स, एंड दैट्स द रीज़न वाई आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू कम टू द स्टोर, चेक दिस ज्वेलरी अगर आपकी शादी प्लान्ड है ड्यूरिंग दिस सीजन. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Starting with the first piece is my personal favorite. Very beautiful, gorgeous piece for brides. Exquisite collection बोलते हैं ना, उस तरीके का collection है ये वाला. వచ్చే season మొత్తం wedding season. And if you haven't planned anything for your wedding, ఈ piece ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు explore చేయాల్సిందే. This store is located in Jubilee Hills Road number 45, and the net weight of this set along with the matching hanging earring is just 96 grams, and the price will approximately be below 10 lakh rupees only. Inka chudandi detailing enta bagundi ee piece ki meeru chustunaru kada, mango detailing undi, mottam neelam unnayi, inka pedda size emeralds icharu. You can see carved detailing in this. देखिए कितना beautiful piece है ये वाला. Completely love this piece. Net weight इसका है 96 grams. Net weight వచ్చేసి 96 grams of this beautiful 3/4 haram along with this matching hanging earring. Pearls भी यहाँ पर fresh water pearls है. Pearls వచ్చే pearls దీనిలో ఉన్నాయి fresh water pearls, ఇంకా నీలంతో కుందన్ detailing తో polkis కూడా ఉన్నాయి ఈ piece లో. तो यहाँ पर आपको देखने को मिलेंगे fresh water pearls, kundan detailing, neelam, polkis and also emerald. What do you feel about it? Mention it in the comment section down below. Moving ahead towards the next piece is this vibrant piece. देखिए कितना ब्यूटीफुल पीस है दिस शॉर्ट नेकलेस अलॉन्ग विद दिस हैंगिंग इयरिंग एंड द चक्कटी पीस हो. नेट वेट వచ్చేసి కూడా just 65 grams of this short necklace along with hanging earrings. नेट वेट వచ్చేసి 65 grams. नेट वेट इसका है 65 ग्राम which is super amazing, and पोलकीज है इसमें जैसे आप देख सकते हो. बीच में पूरे रियल एमरल्ड्स है इन द शॉर्ट नेकलेस एंड ऑल्सो इन द मैचिंग हैंगिंग इयरिंग. पूरा पीस डिज़ाइन किया गया है प्योर 18 कैरेट गोल्ड से. अगर हम देख रहे हैं पोलकीस में भी देखिए कितने बड़े बड़े साइजेस है पोलकीस के इन द शॉर्ट नेकलेस एंड ऑल्सो द इयरिंग. वन गुड थिंग अबाउट द ज्वेलरी हियर इज दे हैव देयर ओन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट एंड ऑल्सो देयर ओन ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइनर्स. तो पूरे पीसेस जो हैं यूजुअली दे स्केच इट, फिर डिज़ाइन करते हैं, फिर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए भेजते हैं, एंड दैट्स द रीज़न वाई बहुत ज़्यादा यूनिक लगते हैं यहाँ की ज्वेलरी. एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स. तो अगर आप ये वाली पीस परचेज कर रहे हैं, आपको डरने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू डोंट नीड टू कीप दिस इन योर लॉकर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम एंड थिंक व्हेन विल आई वेयर इट. ठीक है, मैंने शादी में पहन लिया, संगीत में पहन लिया, नाउ व्हेन विल आई वेयर दिस अगेन. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट बिकॉज दे हैव वेरी गुड कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ टेकिंग द ज्वेलरी बैक. सो लेटर अगर समझिए आपने ये ज्वेलरी परचेज कर ली है, and you come back to the store. What they're going to do is ये जो sides के आपको दिख रहे हैं emeralds, इसको निकाल के you can keep Russian emeralds or you can keep pearls. So that will give you a complete different look and it will look like you're wearing a complete different jewelry. So that kind of a concept is also available and prices are below 10 lakh rupees. But if you want to inquire anything more about this necklace or this earring, you can contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Moving ahead towards the next magnificent piece is this one. Polkis तो सभी को पसंद होते हैं आजकल, and wedding में these days if you're seeing all the popular celebrities are wearing these kind of polki jewelry or diamond jewelry or big sizes of emeralds, and that's the reason why you can see this piece has all the dimensions in it, be it the big sizes of polkis, emeralds or even diamonds. Pearls are also looking just so beautiful in this piece. It looks like a match made in heaven for all the brides who want to wear that bridal lehenga and flaunt their wedding look. You can just wear this very lightweight necklace set with a matching hanging earring which is just 32 grams. Net weight vachesi 32 grams. And if you're worried from a long time what should I wear it on my wedding day, you can wear it for wedding for sure, not a problem, or you can even wear it for your sangeet or even haldi, because these days you have different bridal concepts. If you're talking about the earring is actually a multi-purpose piece. You can actually wear this as a ear top, or you can detach this. You see this bottom piece, you can actually detach this and you can wear it on an Italian chain as a beautiful pendant, and the one in the middle you can detach this and you can keep the third piece above it on the ear top, and you can wear it like a complete different earring which is giving you 3 different looks. So this is the concept of jewelry here, which is really different. Jewelry here is not for locker. You can wear it in various ceremonies and nobody will even get to know. And वही तो हमको चाहिए. When we buy the jewelry हम सोचते हैं कि यार एक ही बार पहन के इसे लॉकर में रखना पड़ेगा. Why should we even buy it? So those kind of queries if you have, and you have that kind of confusion, I think you do not have to worry about it because the jewelry here is just so designer. Next piece vachesi Ilanti designer piece. Now if you are a lover of Kundan jewelry and you like wearing Kundan jewelry often, then you can go for this kind of a piece. Jewelry अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है और आपको अगर अपने साड़ीज में फ्लॉन्ट करने हैं या फिर घाघरास में भी फ्लॉन्ट करने हैं तो आप इस तरीके की कुंदन की ज्वेलरी पहन सकते हो, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूथफुल है लुक वाइज, बिल्कुल भी ओल्ड नहीं है, वेरी वेरी ट्रेंडी. एंड द कलर्स यूज्ड हियर ऑल्सो देखिए कितने प्यारे प्यारे कलर्स है. सो यू कैन सी all precious stones like real rubies, real emeralds, real pearls and very big sizes of polkis along with diamonds. So diamonds are also of very good quality used here. And if you're talking about the net weight of the short necklace along with the matching hanging earring, इसका आपको पड़ेगा close to 85 ग्राम. पर इसकी डिटेलिंग देखिए, earring भी कितना अलग है इसका डिज़ाइन. It's not like the regular earring, क्योंकि earring को क्या करते हैं उतना ज़्यादा we do not focus as a jeweler for an earring. We think that okay बुट्टलू पैटर्न दे देते हैं, it will look nice, और चांद वाली पैटर्न. We think these are the only 2 concepts for earring, but this concept is just so different when compared to the 2 concepts that I have told you. It is neither buttalu pattern nor a चांद वाली pattern, but very different. If you see the design, you can just wear this earring on your gown and this will serve you as a statement piece. एकदम statement वाला look आएगा. बस ये एक earring पहन सकते हो आप, or you can just wear this one short necklace. So these 2 pieces are definitely statement pieces which you can wear one for one ceremony and one for other, or you can even wear both of them together. There is no harm. Price of this will be less than 10 lakh rupees approximately, but if you want to inquire anything and your budget is low and you still want to go for this kind of a piece, you can contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen to contact the store directly. Moving ahead towards the last piece is this one in this polki collection of Vajra jewels. ये वाला भी देखिए कितना simple है but very very classy. If you are a person who likes to wear classy jewelry और आपको बस classy jewelry ही पसंद है, तो you can wear this class jewelry which looks so elegant and rich and also very luminous. So imagine you wearing this in your bridal lehenga or even on your regular organza sari. You can just just wear this short necklace and you're ready to look that complete diva on your wedding day. The whole piece is crafted in pure 18 karat yellow gold, and you can also see it is having a little bit of tinge of Victorian collection in it. पूरे पीसेस मैंने जो बताए हैं सारे 18 कैरेट गोल्ड में हैं, मैंने जो आपको बताए हैं। पोलकीज में भी बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी के पोलकीज यूज़ किए गए हैं। एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट ऑफ डायमंड्स क्लैरिटी इज VVS EF क्लैरिटी विच इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी वेरी गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ डायमंड। एंड दीज आर द मैचिंग हैंगिंग ईयरिंग। देखिए इसमें आपको बुट्टलू पैटर्न देखने को मिलेगा, एंड इन दिस बुट्टलू पैटर्न ऑल्सो द सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट इज देयर, यानी कि आप ईयर टॉप को डिटैच कर सकते हो। दिस विल serve you as one look, and you can detach the buttalu. अगर आप चाहे तो इसे डिटैच करके भी पहन सकते हो, that will serve you as a second look. और अगर चाहे तो you can even elongate the length of this buttalu pattern earring. All these options are available here, and again like I already told you before, for one of the pieces you can detach the pearls here in the corner ये necklace में, क्योंकि साइड में पूरे pearls है। अगर आप चाहे तो pearls निकाल के Russian emeralds लगा सकते हो या फिर tanzanites लगा सकते हो। It's completely your wish, which will serve you as a new look completely. All these options are available here at Vajra Jewels. All right friends, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope आपको ये सारे pieces बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आए होंगे, क्योंकि you might not have seen these kind of pieces on YouTube till now, क्योंकि सारे pieces बहुत beautiful है, बहुत अच्छा concept भी है, which is very very customer friendly. हमको एक बार ज्वेलरी खरीदने के बाद उसको लॉकर में रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, and we can keep repeating it again and again, और किसी को भी पता नहीं चलेगा कि that is the same set of piece that you are wearing repeatedly. So यहाँ पर बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि इन हाउस ज्वेलरी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है। These people also accept customization from the customers, so which is a very very good option for all the people who want to wear something unique and something different for this wedding season. तो अगर आपने अभी तक वेडिंग की शॉपिंग नहीं की है, come down to Vajra Jewels located in Jubilee Hills Road number 45. इसका पूरा एड्रेस आप नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में देख सकते हो। Thank you so much again. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye.